Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. I'm seriously so excited to share a little unboxing with you guys today. So I got this package in the mail a few days ago from CORAS Den, and I'm seriously so excited to open it and share it with you guys. I've been waiting patiently to film this video before opening it because I feel like it's just way more fun to share it with you guys firsthand. So if you guys haven't checked out CORAS Den, I will have it linked down below, but I've done a video with them prior, so I'll insert a card. I do have a discount code, which is just Kelly10, so you guys can get 10% off your order, which is seriously so sweet of them to have that. So big shout out to CORAS Den. I love sharing small businesses. As a small business owner myself, I know how much word of mouth and good recommendations are helpful, and seriously, their products speak for themselves. They're amazing quality, they're beautiful, and you guys will definitely find something you like over there. So I'm really excited about this unboxing, so be sure to check out my description box because I have all their social medias and website linked, and I think you guys will really like it if you like my style and because it's very fitting. So we're just gonna open it up. It came in this white little box. I did slice the label open so I could open it, but I can't show you the other side of the box since it has my address on it. So opening it up, this is what it looks like. Her packaging is seriously so stinking cute, and I'm completely obsessed. So I got this little green guy, which we're gonna open up, blue package, and this pink one, and then it just came with a bunch of little confetti paper in here, and I'm so excited about this collab. So we're gonna open the pink one first because if you guys haven't noticed, pink is by far my favorite color. I feel like it's a little obvious right now. I did just paint my nails this beautiful pink shade the other day, and I'm completely obsessed. I will have my nail polish linked down below in case you guys want to check it out as well. But this is just a little baggie, and when I saw this on their website, I was like, do I need this? No. But is it cute? Yes. And so this is called a car rear view mirror decoration piece. I don't know, like, this is a picture of it. I thought it was so cute. So it comes with this silver little chain, and you can put it on your mirror. And then I picked out the pink one, so it has this beautiful white bow, and then it just has my monogram, which is KMC. So stinking cute, and you just kind of hang it up, and it's like the cutest little piece of decor for your car, which I've never put anything like this in my car. My car seriously has nothing in it, but I'm super excited to start decorating it, and I feel like this is going to be so fun in the summer, and especially when I bring back the vlogs and summer vlogs, and you guys get to see this as well. So I'm gonna have to go put this in my car after I'm done filming this video, but so cute. I feel like this is so fun and just kind of a fun way to make your car extra girly and cute. The next thing I got is this little blue pouch, and I'm really excited about this. This is a little bit outside of my comfort zone, and it is this really pretty circle white acrylic monogram on a gold chain. Her packaging is stunning. Has this little thank you sticker on the back, and I figured we could do like a little try on as well. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm completely obsessed with this, and it has a really nice clasp as well. That's always so important in my opinion. This is what it looks like. I think it's so cute. I love it. It's just like a little white circle necklace, kind of hangs at like a nice length, which I really like, and I am completely in love with this. I feel like I'm going to be styling this all summer with a cute tank top. And then the last thing I got came in this cute little green pouch, and it is another necklace. I picked this out because I just thought it was so cute, and it is a gold mirrored Kelly necklace. So I did have a Kelly necklace previously. I don't know where it went, so I think when I redid my room it got lost, so I'm gonna have to keep my eye out for it. But I just thought this was so cute. This is what it looks like in the front, and then the back of it does look like this. So I think this is going to be so pretty on. I love how sparkly all her pieces are, and I did get this on the shorter chain length. I love that it's gold. I just think this font is so fun. It looks like how I write my name. So super, super cute. I would love to know in the comments down below which item is your favorite. Be sure to let me know. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. Just a huge shout out to CORAS Den. Be sure to check them out in the description box. They have the cutest pieces. You guys will absolutely love them, and I do have a discount code which is in the description box as well. And I just hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.